exceptional in this year of 2020 because China will record a positive growth rate in economic activity this year, and that's a very positive development for China, and it's a very positive development for the world, given the importance that China does have in the world economy.
will be the year which will manifest the centrality, global centrality of Chinese economy in overall global economic order. The whole world, the whole supply chains, the whole global trade, the globalization forces, they all will be looking towards China, and China's contribution will be close to half of global recovery in 2021.
So the new dual circulation strategy will support the fundamental of the Chinese economy, and then it will support the global growth.